Okay, vessels are also called as trachea. This is one of the diagrams of vessels. Okay, these are non-living elements and these are made up of, these are non-living elements. These vessels are made up of series of tube-like sieve cells. Okay, now these are long cylindrical tubes and these are long cylindrical tubes made up of lignified cell walls. Okay, now this presence of vessel is a characteristic feature of the angiospermic plants. Now vessels are interconnected with each other. One vessel is connected over the other vessel, one is connected, this one is connected with this one and this one is connected with this one. These connections are made because of the presence of perforations which are there on the vessels. Okay, because this is one vessel and it is connected with one more. So the connection or interconnection between two vessels is because of the presence of perforations in their common walls. Now vessels, what is the function of vessel here? Why you are supposed to study vessels here? As it is a xylem tissue, is helpful in the conduction of water, and in addition to that, it also gives mechanical support or mechanical strength. Now we are supposed to study about a term called as perforation plates. Perforation plates are the plates which helpful in connecting the vessels, one vessel with the other. One vessels are interconnected with the another vessels with the help of the perforation plates. Now here, if there are different types of perforation plates used here, are involved in the structure of vessels. What are those? If there is a dissolution of the total cell wall and if there is only one pore present, then that is called as perforation plate. As we said earlier, it is an interconnecting link between the two vessels. Now if there is a dissolution of the cell wall in the vessels, because there are total cell wall is dissolved and only one pore is present in the vessel, then that plate or that perforation plate is called as simple perforation plate. That is called as simple perforation plate. And if after the dissolution of the cell wall, if there are more than one type of perforation plate, then that is called as multiple perforation plate. Now next, another one is if there is a ladder like arrangement of plates are in the form of a ladder, then that is called as clariform perforation plate. Clariform perforation plate. Okay. Now next, if the perforation plates are in the form of circle or in a circular manner, then it is called as fulminate perforation plate. So altogether, vessels are also called as trachea. These are also dead tissues. These are having interconnection with one or two vessels are interconnected with each other with the help of perforation plates. And if there is a dissolution of the total cell wall and the presence of the perforation plate is also of different types. If there is only one single perforation plate after the dissolution of the cell wall, then that is called as simple perforation plate, and if it has one or more than one, it is multiple perforation plate, and if it is having a ladder like perforation plates in the tissue, then it is clariform, and if it is a circular type of perforation plate, then it is called as fulminate type of perforation plates.